So Aussie CPI surprised to the upside, and we've got this geometric shape turning up in the chart. Uh, we got in on the first bounce and uh, went long from a 61.8 down there. Um, why can't I change that? Sorry, no. So the price corrected to a 61.8, and we took the entry on a 1 minute chart um, over here, breaking the structure, and we're about to do the same, adding to the position on a break of this structure. Um, Always stop below, targeting the same area. So we're looking for a sweep of these lows. I'd like to see it. Looks like we're just going to break up. All right, what we're going to have, we've got this W formation playing out. We're going to let that. We want to see a bull hammer and then engulf it, and then we'll get in again. Right, we want this to behave itself. We need this to stay where it is really, and then a subsequent engulfing of it would be our trigger to get in on the close. Right, that's a perfect scenario. We're going to be buying market. Now, after this is a paper trading account, and I can't accumulate positions on the same trade, so we're going to have to move over to a. Let's see what these guys are giving us in spread. That might be a better option. There we go. And if we want to go from higher, if we don't get it, then I'm going in. Come on, we go. They're not getting it yet. Next one. One more stop. Five-minute stop. Here's the engulfing coming. Come on, up you come. Still not. Next one. Here it is, and it's not going to give me a very nice entry. Come on, stay here. So we've got this nice bullish breakup happening here. So it's starting to build up a bit of momentum here. So we've got a couple of minutes for the turn of the hour, and looks like we're going to get crushed. Come on, we've got 20 seconds or not 20 seconds. We want to see this hold flip higher. Nasty little stop hunters. Great, okay, so now we're on the way up. So far, so good. Breaking the high. Oh, no, not the highs. The highs are up here, aren't they? But doing all right. So we're a few minutes away from moving to break even on the prior trade. This one. We haven't got much risk on that one left. There was a bit of a fault in this system here when you tried to change the lot size or whatever in it. So it flips back. Well, no, it's not doing it now, but it was earlier. Anyway, so I sold a bunch that I didn't want to sell, but not to worry. So on the close of this 15-minute candle, that moves up to break even. We're already in the money on that anyway. Even if it were to come down to break the stop, we would be making. We've already done our. We've covered our risk on that already. So, and then we'll flip over to this trade that we're now managing, adding positions on as we're confident in the setup for a move to target. The target was established on a measured move of from out of the consolidation. So that's the thesis. So we've got a couple of minutes before we'll do some jiggery pokering with the risk management. Like I say, this will move to break even. And this one. Yeah, but this one, I'm not going to do anything yet. We want to see this come back in, form some bullish structure, give us some bullish structure to lean against. We can still come back and down, take out this before we move up, so just leave that running. And if it turns out to be a loss, then so be it. We'll still be up on the day for our. Right, so we need to manage this position over here. And if we look at the. So we're in the minus 272. So I'm going to take some off. Yeah, no idea what's wrong with this paper trading bullshit. Um, so trying to attempt to take half off, see what happens here. Look, uh, switches back to some random quantity. So that's a shame. So anyway, bugger. Um, so I wanted to run that, but for the sake of the video, there you go. It's actually put me in a short position. I had to close it. Anyway, I've taken out the training view and told them what's going on with that. See what they say. Um, anyway, so that would have been, and we would have moved to break even as well and just let half of it run to our target. Calling it a day there. I'm off to go and watch some six-a-side football. But see, it's just shooting up. Would have made an absolute mint on this trade. So there we go.